This is a day for glasses that's got goggles that all close all the dust, debris, pollen in my eyes. I got the Insta360 stick, the 3mm, and I got the extra sphere we call, not the sphra. I'm hand holding the extra Atto, and I gotta get by on the school buses. Hey, welcome to the Extra Family. I'm Fish. Nice to you stopping by. And yeah, let's get on going. I got in my pocket, you got it, footage that I shot today on a dead battery. Oh man, it's the GoPro Hero 10. I got the other battery in and it's lasting a lot longer. So I gotta go take that battery and mark it down as trash. We're heading over to the park. I'm gonna go get some footage, do a little talk with all three cameras. You got favorite spots? Extra. Think about this. The Atto. You can stick it to anything metal. Maybe this will work out for some people. Little magnet adhesive backing so we can stick it in our favorite spots that says extra. Stick it to a pole. Stick it to a fence. It won't go on a bike unless you get an extra magnet adhesive. How sweet is that? I think that's sweet enough, man. It's what I like to do. Well, I want to talk about not the extra sphere right now. I want to talk about my GoPro Hero 10. So let me just sit on down, put you over here in a nice sunny spot. I was given the idea from my friend, and I'm going to take his idea and start to use it. Oh, no offense, my buddy, you know who you are, and I'm here to help you out as well. It works both ways, right? So we'll get to that down the road. This is my Hero 10. This kind of just, really stopped me from getting a GoPro Mission Pro. It really did. And I heard that after the missions come out, GoPro may get on out of here. They may sell the company. I didn't put that out there. Somebody did. Do you know that we got about $1,000 worth of gear here? We got a $79 microphone, a $100 selfie stick, a 2-inch change 360 camera, a 200 plus POV style camera, and the most expensive one with these two put together, a GoPro Hero 10. Well, let me set this bad boy up, and I don't know if we all know this, maybe it's best to get the correct filters for these, the lens guards. I don't like shooting with lens guards for the reasons of they don't do justice at all. Make sure they're in here because they'll blow away in this nasty windy day. We're going to get some footage, but the first thing I want to do is format. I'm on follow me mode. It doesn't show a horizontal, a 16:9. It shows a 1:1 aspect ratio. And that's where Insta360X5 shows the correct aspect ratio, but you have to always double tap the screen. If you double tap the screen on here or whatever, it brought me up the menu. And I want to make sure that I am looking at me when I hit the record. Now I'm able to take the stick and just go all the way out I want. As long as I hold the camera like this at the beginning, I'll get myself here. Now the only thing that the sphere cannot do is MP4 files along with 360 files. So I am all the way out at the very far end, like so, looking at my back. You're not going to hear any audio of that. I got the mic for that. The next shot I want to do is 360, so it doesn't matter what I do. So I get my selfie stick all the way out there, and we'll go back to the editor and we edit. I want to make sure I got it all the way up high above. So now it's looking down at me so you can see what's happening. I am going to drop it all the way down like so, and then to get a look around. I can't let you look around 360 degrees unless I make it a 360 degree video. Now the thing is, we don't have twist to shut down, but maybe a remote control onto the selfie stick would be great. I'm just thinking out loud, that's all. I want to polish up my torque on the GoPro. Again, my hands just, they love hitting the back of the camera. I don't love the beep system anymore. I like the way DJI and Extra makes a beep system. Well, let me, get on to this review. I got a lot of things to do. All right, this wind is just kicking, and I want to do just one more video. I'm not sure what has happened, what I clicked on by mistake. So I'll set up my, pole to the right height. I don't like setting the pole up with the thinnest part here. I like setting it up with the thickest part. So that means we open it up and we put everything here down like this. And we walk with the thickest part so we get less shake and wobble. So let me just do it like this here for you right now. I'm on 360 degrees, not follow me, and I'm able to walk around with about 4 feet away. And the next thing I'm going to do is just extend it, maybe do follow me instead. All right, I moved over here where it's a little bit more quieter. And now I could just, basically do what I want. I can't hear, I can't see. That's what happens with the sun. So let's walk on out. Oh, I'm fishing. It's a windy day. What's above that wall? Can you see what's above? Oh, look at that bad boy. Am I tall enough? Oh yeah. Bring it on down. There's a lot you can do with 360. So let's switch on over to follow me. I don't get why follow me is on a 1:1 aspect ratio. But this is follow me. You can swing the camera as fast as you want. Woohoo! And it will follow you. And that's what follow me is about. Follow me is about just walking around, but making sure that you don't smack the floor or smack a wall. You're not going to see that wall there. But that's follow me. I'm done. The wind, the pollen. They didn't call for a windy day. I'm putting on my lens protectors. I normally don't have lens protectors on my X5, but I got them on the 360. Don't ask me why. So let's pack this bad boy up and get on out of here. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do these videos. I should start to learn again to say scene 1, 2, 3, always in order. I know what to do. I know you're up there. I'm out of here. See ya. Woohoo, baby. That wind's kicking, blowing all around. That's the beauty of a microphone, having a nice setup. Only and only wishing that extra would make the mic hook up to both cameras at the same time. They don't. Why is that? Put you on here, snap you on, get you charged, and I'm able to see you now. Oh yeah, did you know that while recording, you're able to see you? I'm glad they didn't lock you in. Let's get on out of here. I'll be blowing home without pedaling. Whoa, I'm gonna fall. Well, I'm Fish. It's been a pleasure with you. The mic, the wind. Woo, man. Let's go do some editing. 4K 24, EV negative 1.0, auto white balance, ISO minimum to the maximum, texture negative 2, video noise reduction 0, scene stabilization on sport. I think I covered just everything about the camera, and there you go.